Good morning, Manhattan. I am Angie Plamiser, and this is the Spotlight. Today, I am here with John Shortsleeves, owner of Standard Plumbing. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm excellent. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
It's good to see you again.
You too.
Can you tell us about your plumbing business?
Yes, Standard Plumbing was founded in 1923 in Manhattan. I'm pretty sure it's got to be one of the oldest existing businesses in the area. First major job Standard Plumbing did was they did the plumbing in the Wareham Hotel when it was built, and that place has been there for a long time. So have we. So yeah, we're pretty excited. In a couple years, we'll be celebrating our 100-year anniversary. So it's kind of neat. Yeah, if I could just keep it on the rails for another 3 years, that's kind of my immediate goal. Just kidding. No.
How long have you owned it then?
I've been an owner either partially or the president for 15 years. I've worked there for 20 years total. So yeah, that's kind of unbelievable. But somebody asked me that day, I said, oh yeah, 20. I was like, oh, 20 years. Yeah, 20 years. Yeah. I didn't have all this gray hair then, I can tell you that. So.
Is that where it came from?
It's all of it. Every one of them. Yes. Yep.
I blame mine on my kids.
Yeah, well, that too. Yeah. Yes.
Well, we are here today at 3024 Payne Drive, is that correct?
That's correct.
And John is also doing a flip house, which he took me through a little bit ago, and it's absolutely beautiful. It will be listed soon. So if you're looking for a very nice redone 5-bedroom home, this is the one to come see.
With no specials.
Yes, and that is
a great
huge.
location, great
That is
neighborhood.
huge.
Yeah.
So, and you said you bought this in November, is that
Yes,
correct?
that's correct.
And
Yep.
can you just tell me a little bit about everything that you've done to it?
Yes, well, we got the house in November, and we went through basically and tore it down to the studs on the main floor and the basement. Then we replaced all the plumbing, of course, all the heating, air, ventilation, ductwork. It has a new, very high efficiency furnace, air conditioner, and it has a tankless water heater. I won't say it's a greenhouse, but as far as that equipment goes, it's green. That's the best you can get. We're talking 97, 98% efficiency. We got the electric bill for last month, and the subcontractors have been running their air conditioner a lot, and my electric bill was, I think, $68. So that's pretty good.
That's amazing.
We've done all new electrical throughout the whole house. We upgraded the electrical service to a 200 amp service. We have hardwired smoke alarms now. We have Cat 5 cable ran throughout the house for all your internet stuff. Let's see, LED lighting throughout the entire house, on the inside and outside. And all new drywall, new flooring, paint, cabinets, kitchen, countertops, you name it, we've pretty much done. All new windows, all new interior and exterior doors, new garage doors. I think that's it. That's a lot.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Just that much. Yeah.
Well, you guys did a great job.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
I appreciate it very much.
It's a very beautiful home. So, is there anything else that you want to tell us about your business, about the
Yeah,
house?
so Standard Plumbing, obviously we do plumbing, heating, air conditioning. We do a lot of remodeling, kitchen and bathroom. This is just a big remodel to me. So I said, sure, we'll try one and see what happens. We have 24-hour emergency service. We have VIP service contracts. Most of our clients that use Standard Plumbing have a contract. It's a service agreement is what we call it. It's not a contract. And they seem to like that because they get discounted pricing on everything we touch. There goes one of my vans.
I was going to say, there goes Standard Plumbing.
Let's see, what else? We're a flat rate company, so before we touch anything, you know exactly what you're going to pay for any repair, which I think that's the fairest way to do repair work. Let's see, we replace a lot of furnaces, air conditioners, water heaters. We pretty much do everything. Pretty full circle. Yeah. Yep.
So how can someone get a hold of you?
They can visit our website. It's standardpha.com, like plumbing, heating, air. Or of course, our local phone number 776-5012. You can hit us up on Facebook, Instagram. Yeah.
Send a smoke signal.
Smoke signal,
running.
whatever. Yeah. We can be reached very easily. So.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you for joining me
Thank
today.
you. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it too.
Yeah, it's good to see you. I'm going to shake your hand anyways.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
You see, we're not.
Yeah, we're not wearing our
very
masks
well.
either, but yeah.
I'm not too afraid of it.
We're almost 6 feet apart. It's okay.
All right,
Okay,
there you have it,
thank you.
Manhattan. Thank you for joining us
Bye-bye.
today.